G'day, this is a bird. I'm just getting ready to install a skylight in the roof. It's a nice day at this stage, nice and sunny, and it's a good start.
At the moment, putting on this skylight.
I've already moved the tiles and I've cut the back to position the skylight, which is what we see here.
That's the skylight fit, but I've got to fit it off as we cut the tiles and stuff. Take these tiles around it, waterproof, and so that's the roof as it is, except for obviously a bit of flashing. And yeah, we'll finish this off. And then we'll tools required.
To use a circular saw, a grinder and a drill to install the skylight.
The back now.
The grinder had a stone disc on it, so it's not a grinding disc, it's a stone cutting disc to cut the tiles.
I've screwed a couple of screws.
I screwed off the skylight to the back so it won't
strip.
slide down the roof.
I'll put a water strip up here as well. That's the skylight on the side. Obviously that's me putting it in. So forth, but then it overlaps that tile. Overlaps that tile. Under goes under that tile. Goes under that one. Under that one. Overlaps it. So that's one way of putting this thing in. Well, partially installed, I'm going to put the tiles in and I'll take another shot.
To finish off the skylight install, I had to use flashing tape, which is a rubberized duct tape, which will seal the tiles around the flashing on the skylight.
So I'll get that sort of started now. So I'm going to take off some tiles and then I'll get into it. Then I'll have this at least to be finished on the top. And look at that. As soon as you work on the roof, it always rains. And look at that rain coming. I better get it finished. I've got some flashing on one side, then I'm going to put the tiles back on it, and then I'll have the other side to do, and that'll seal it before this rain comes, which is probably going to happen in the next 5 minutes. So let's see how we go. Yeah, it's still raining a little bit. Just had a shower now, you see it's wet. Tiles are all wet. That's alright. There's a little bit of water up there. But I'm going to try getting up. I'm going to try and get up there now without slipping over.
I have finished putting the duct tape flashing over the tiles, and this will make the skylight waterproof.
Right, here it is. Flash in position. It might look a little bit rough. This tape is very flexible. It's really good to get proper seals that molds around the tiles. So it's actually best to use so there's no water leaks. Realistically, who's going to see it? Miles up here. Okay. People have got solar panels, heating on their roofs, solar panels over there. You know, just pretty ordinary sort of stuff around anyway. I think someone's got an air conditioning unit over there. So you've got a skylight here, and it's properly sealed off. That will not leak, guaranteed. Is that duct tape, sealing tape. It is the best rubber paste. It will not leak.
This is in the roof in the attic. Just looking at the roof frame for the skylight, which will be plastered out by the plasterers. Now I'm just coming down the ladder after I've finished trimming it out, and so now it's just left for the plasterers to do their work, and it should be done.